Welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some farmhouse style interior decoration ideas. Let's have a look. Here are some tips for creating a farmhouse style interior decor. Mix old and new. Combine vintage pieces with modern elements to achieve that cozy, live-in feel. For example, pair a modern sofa with an antique coffee table. Use open shelving. Open shelves made of reclaimed wood or metal add a rustic touch. Display simple, everyday items like mason jars, ceramic dishes, or potted herbs. Focus on textures. Incorporate a variety of textures like woven baskets, chunky knit blankets, and linen pillows to add depth and warmth to the space. Slip-covered furniture. Slip-covered sofas and chairs in neutral tones are not only practical but also add to the relaxed, comfortable vibe of a farmhouse interior. Incorporate farmhouse lighting. Choose lighting fixtures with a rustic or industrial design, such as metal pendant lights, lantern style fixtures, or wooden candelabras. Decorate with natural elements. Add plants, fresh flowers, and natural wood accents. A farmhouse style thrives on bringing the outdoors in. So, consider adding a wreath made of twigs or dried flowers. Use shiplap or bedboard. Install shiplap or bedboard on walls or ceilings for an authentic farmhouse look. This adds architectural interest and a rustic feel. Keep it functional. Farmhouse decor is all about simplicity and functionality. Ensure that every piece has a purpose and avoid clutter to maintain an open, airy space. Choose farmhouse style furniture. Opt for furniture pieces with a simple, rustic design. Think of farmhouse style tables with chunky wooden legs, distressed wood finishes, and upholstered chairs with natural fabrics. Add vintage signs and artwork. Look for vintage style signs with farm-related themes such as Farm Fresh or Gather. These add charm and a personal touch to your space. Use distressed finishes. Look for furniture and decor with distressed or weathered finishes. This gives pieces an aged, rustic appearance that fits well with the farmhouse style. Incorporate sliding barn doors. Replace standard doors with sliding barn doors made from reclaimed wood. They are wicker and rattan. Incorporate wicker or rattan furniture and accessories like chairs, baskets, and trays. These natural materials enhance the farmhouse vibe and add texture to your decor. Layering rugs, especially natural fiber rugs like jute or seashell, can add warmth and texture to your room. You can place a patterned rug over a larger neutral one for added interest. Create a farmhouse entryway. Set the tone for your home with a farmhouse-inspired entryway. A bench with storage underneath, hooks for hanging hats or coats, and a rustic mirror can make a welcoming statement. Add a farmhouse fireplace mantle. If you have a fireplace, consider a rustic wooden mantle. Distressed mirrors with wooden or metal frames. Mirrors add light and depth to rooms, enhancing the farmhouse aesthetic. Use apron front sink. In the kitchen, consider an apron front or farmhouse sink. These large, deep sinks are not only practical but also iconic to the farmhouse style. Install old-iron elements. Old-iron features such as curtain rods, bed frames, or light fixtures can add an industrial touch while still maintaining a rustic charm. Incorporate voids and textiles. Voids, especially those with simple patterns or muted colors, can add warmth and a homemade feel. Drape them over a sofa at the foot of a bed or use them as wall hangings. Install beamed ceilings. If possible, add exposed wooden beams to your ceilings. Even wax beams can bring an authentic farmhouse feel. Decorate with vintage clocks. Large, vintage-style wall clocks with Roman numerals or rustic finishes can be a striking focal point in a farmhouse living room or kitchen. Add a farmhouse table. A sturdy, large farmhouse dining table made of reclaimed wood or with a distressed finish is perfect for gathering family and friends. Install a portrait. A hanging portrait made of wood or wrought iron can be both functional and decorative in farmhouse kitchen. Display your pots and pans as a part of the decor. Personalize with diagrams. Embrace the die spirit by creating your own farmhouse decor items. From painted signs to handcrafted furniture, these personal touches make your space uniquely yours. Use plate rustic wood signs. Hang wooden signs with farm-related sayings, family names, or inspirational quotes. These can be dye projects for a personal touch. Use milk glass and ceramics. Collect and display milk glass or simple ceramic pitchers. Their clean, white finish adds a vintage charm that pairs well with farmhouse decor.